Hi everyone, and welcome to Chapter 4 of Exploring STEM and Coding with EDU PICO. In this part, we will learn to program EDU PICO to light up RGB LEDs in different colors. In EDU PICO, we have 5 colorful RGB LEDs. Each is assigned with an identification number that is 0 to 4 for you to program individually. In this video, you will learn to control its colors from a mix of red, green, and blue. Let's begin with writing the code for this activity. Line 1. New pixel library provides functionality to control RGB LEDs. It's a must-to-have to complete this activity. Line 5. Initialize the RGB LEDs object to pixel pin GP14. Number pixels to 5 and the brightness parameter to 0.2, which means 20% brightness. Line 8. The pixels.fill is used to fill all the LEDs with a specific color. In this case, the numbers 00 to 155 represents full blue, and the numbers 000 represents black or no color. Let's run the code and try this program together. The RGB LEDs, or in technical terms, the WS2812 integrated light source, is a full red, green, and blue LED that is integrated with a driver chip within each LED. This allows the RGB LEDs to be individually addressable, allowing us to program each LED according to the identification number. Let's try together to program the LEDs to display a red color. Referring to the color code, we know that the red color code is 25500. Modify the code and hit run. You can also mix colors together to get the color you want. Let's try, for example, to display a yellow color. The code of yellow color is 241, 196, and 15. Let's try this out. Well done completing part 1 of chapter 4. In the next video, we will explore the color sensor. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.